Have you ever wondered what would happen if a black hole replaced the sun? Imagine waking up one day to find that our life-giving star, the sun, has vanished. In its place, a black hole looms. A scenario straight out of science fiction, isn't it? Now let's walk through the immediate effects on our solar system. First off, darkness. Complete, utter blackness. The sun, our primary source of light, is gone. But that's not all. The temperature plummets. The sun's warmth that once blanketed the Earth is no more, replaced by the chilling cold of space. All around us, the solar system is plunged into a sudden and absolute freeze. The once balmy Earth is now an icy sphere spinning in the dark. Our familiar world, as we know it, changes drastically in an instant. So the sun is gone and a black hole stands in its place. But what happens next? Now, you might be thinking, wouldn't we all just get sucked into the black hole? Well, let's debunk that common misconception right away. Contrary to what you might have seen in science fiction, black holes don't suck everything in like a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Instead, they exert a gravitational pull, much like any other massive object in space. Imagine a black hole replacing the sun. Both have the same mass, so the gravitational pull of the black hole would be equal to that of the sun. This means that the planets in our solar system, including our very own Earth, would continue to orbit the black hole, just as they do the sun. That's right, our planet wouldn't be sucked up like a marble in a vacuum. We'd continue our merry dance around the black hole as if nothing had changed. Contrary to popular belief, life on Earth doesn't end immediately. But what changes can we expect? Let's find out in our next scene. Although we've escaped immediate annihilation, the disappearance of the sun and the appearance of the black hole brings about some significant changes. Let's take a stroll through this new, darkened world and see what awaits us. The most immediate and noticeable change would be the absence of sunlight. Without the sun's radiant energy, photosynthesis grinds to a halt. Gradually, plants start to wither and die, leading to the collapse of the food chain as we know it. From the smallest insects to the largest herbivores, starvation sets in, rippling up through the ecosystem. Predators too feel the pinch, their prey dwindling day by day. As the sun's warmth fades away, Earth's temperature plummets, ushering us into a new ice age. The once blue planet transforms into a frozen wasteland, with life struggling to survive in the harsh, icy conditions. But let's not forget about our new celestial overlord, the black hole. It might not have devoured us whole, but it's not done with us yet. The intense radiation it emits is harmful, to say the least. This radiation, unlike the sun's friendly rays, poses a significant threat to any remaining life. So, although we wouldn't get sucked into the black hole, life as we know it would cease to exist. A chilling thought, isn't it? But don't worry, this is all purely hypothetical. For now, our sun is safe and sound, and so are we. So, what's the final verdict on our black hole scenario? Let's circle back to the beginning. We've established that we wouldn't be swallowed by the black hole. However, the absence of our sun would trigger a domino effect of disastrous events, turning our blue planet into a lifeless rock. The comforting warmth, the light, the life-giving energy, all would be lost. In the end, while it's a fascinating thought experiment, let's hope a black hole never replaces our sun. After all, there's no place like home.